So, my favorite feature in the home is that I was able to pick everything I wanted. So, I have slide out drawers for the stuff on the bottom. In my kitchen, I have the high covered ceilings. Everything that I want is my favorite feature because I got to pick it out. My name is Pamela Winter, and I live in Highland Ranch. My favorite part of the home buying journey was getting to pick out my own stuff. So, my custom tiles, exactly what I wanted for my ceiling, everything is exactly how I wanted it. I chose Homes by Tabor because I did a lot of research into different builders in the Oklahoma City area, and I found that I got more for my money with Tabor, and they didn't have really bad reviews. They were actually reviewed very well. The home buying process was very simple. My salesperson would keep in constant contact. She would give me plenty of notice since I lived out of state as to when I might need to come and pick out my things for the inside. Just let me know how far we are along with the build. And anytime I asked her about something, she was right there with the email giving me pictures or explaining my question, the answer to my question. I love the backyard because I did pick a space that sits on the back of a pond, so I can go out there and see all kinds of wildlife, and it's just peaceful. The warranty department has been very helpful throughout the process, and they're still being helpful because, of course, when you do buy something new, there's always little things. They're just very minor things, and they were on it right away. And they're still helping me to this day and have gone above and beyond what I think a warranty department should.